Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite with a controller. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your gaming device, whether it's a console or PC. Next, dive into the settings menu to fine-tune your controller layout and sensitivity. Many players find a horizontal and vertical sensitivity between 5 and 8 to be a good starting point. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable for your aiming and building. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth gameplay experience. Building is a core mechanic in Fortnite, and mastering it on a controller is key. Start by practicing the rapid placement of walls, ramps, and floors. Many players use a custom bind for building pieces to improve speed. Learn to quickly edit your structures, like creating a window in a wall for a quick shot. Turbo building allows you to hold down the build button for continuous placement, which is essential for creating quick defenses under pressure. Consistent practice will make these actions second nature. Effective combat requires sharp aiming and strategic thinking. Dedicate time to aim training maps in creative mode to improve your accuracy with various weapons. Pay attention to weapon rarities, as a legendary assault rifle will deal significantly more damage than a common one. Always use cover to your advantage, peeking out only when ready to shoot. Learning to quickly switch between weapons and building is also vital for winning 1-versus-1 encounters. Practice makes perfect in these high-stakes situations. To truly excel, continuously refine your skills and adapt your strategies. Observe professional Fortnite players to pick up on advanced building techniques, clever edits, and smart rotations. Spend time in creative mode practicing specific scenarios, like 1-versus-1 box fights or aim duels. Understanding how the storm circle moves and planning your rotations early can give you a significant advantage. Remember, Fortnite is a game of constant learning and adaptation, so keep practicing and experimenting with new approaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.